Yeah, what are we doing tonight? Make some goddamn pound cake, huh? What's that sound? Yeah, that sounds good. Oh, yeah. Alright, I got the oven preheating. I got the butter.
I don't know about you guys, but I like soft, spreadable butter.
I got the sugar. Raw sugar, pure cane sugar.
Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw.
Okay, now that's like a cup and a half of butter, and you're gonna have to whip that angry boy. You're gonna have to teach him a lesson, alright? Easy roll bag. Use a chip clip to seal. What? Yeah, no shit. How long did it take you to figure that out? Dude. Oh my god, revolutionary. Jesus fucking Christ. It's a quarter cup, 3/4 cup sugar. Holy shit, you guys, I found containers. I don't know. Should I forego this space age technology here and roll it, or just like put it in a container? There's no way it's all gonna fit in there. And I don't know if I want to use that, so I guess the joke's on me. God damn it. You know, that worked out pretty good, actually. If I'm being honest here. Fuck, I'm slow. Oven's already preheated. Okay, you want to whip this bad boy a little bit more. Alright, this is 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. You're supposed to use cake flour. Fuck it, I don't have that. So, and there's a teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. God damn it. A 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, baby, and you want a whisk. Yeah, she likes that. 4 eggs, room temperature. You can put them in warm water if you want to. God damn it, I need some kitchen skills. Okay, put some eggs lightly, giving a light little beating. Yeah. And apparently you're supposed to add this a little bit at a time. This butter sugar mixture. And then finally goes in here. 1/4 cup of milk. Heat that up. Put the butter shells in there so you can grease the pan. Yeah, grease it real good. Matcha green tea, 3 tablespoons. In there. Ah, damn, that smells good. Okay, you take 1/3 of the batter and you throw it in there and you mix it up. And then you drizzle it back in here. And then it goes into the pan.
This is what